Hi there! With the rise of AI, I often hear an opinion that robots will take all our jobs away pretty soon. Is that a myth or reality? Today, I want to talk to you about my experience using AI 15 years ago and now, and try to understand if we should worry about losing a job anytime soon. My name is Anatolii, I'm CTO and co-founder at Scimus. I was working on all kinds of automations for many years before this AI boom happened, and everyone started to see the power of it. With the public release of ChatGPT, everyone could go and experience real magic. You can ask machine anything, and it would provide you with an answer. People start to worry that this kind of technology can easily replace human force and be more knowledgeable and restless employees than anyone around could be. But when you start to use AI more often, you can see its shortcomings. Even when ChatGPT seems very sure about things it brings you, it doesn't mean it is always correct. It is very convincing, but could be very wrong at the same time. So, a couple months ago, we decided to do a little experiment. We were building a service that's supposed to parse data from different web applications and make an aggregation of the data, then store it in a database. So my team suggested using ChatGPT to generate a code for our new service, which in theory should speed up service development time. This reminded me of a tool I was using while working for Ericsson about 15 years ago. At the time, we had a tool that you could build a program flow diagram with, and it would generate a code for you. It was a pretty cool way to write a code, as it would do it pretty fast, and everything was actually working when you integrated it all together. But maintenance of that code was a nightmare for any developer. It was built so illogical and hard to read and understand that any time we saved developing it would go out of the window when we had to fix some bug in that auto-generated code. This was 15 years ago and much less sophisticated technology, so I decided to give AI a chance and see how it would turn around. And sure enough, we were able to build a new service pretty quickly. We tested it and everything was working just great. I was pretty satisfied with the result and started to think about how to integrate AI into our day-to-day development process. But when we started to add new features to this service, the problem with the old Ericsson tool repeated itself. This time, code was more or less clear, but still hard to manage, as it would repeat itself instead of using single functions for similar calculations, so we had to fix the same problem in multiple places when they appeared. In the end, we had to use a good old developer that would sit down and refactor a whole service. As you can see, more than a decade has passed, but old problems with this kind of automations are still there. So now let's try to answer a question. Should we worry about our jobs? I personally think that AI will be widely used in a workplace, but more as a way to help people to do their job better and quicker. Work will be more creative and less routine. When I think about it, I envision human and AI relations more like Tony Stark from Iron Man and Jarvis.
Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, sir. Congratulations on the opening ceremonies. They were such a success.
Where you, as an employee, come up with an ideas, directions, and the overall plan of actions, and AI handles lower level tasks for you, just like Jarvis was doing for Tony. I encourage you to learn AI tools as they will be part of your job soon, and you will be more valuable employee if you can use them efficiently. So I hope this video was useful for you. Please hit the like button if you are not AI watching this. Leave a comment if you think I'm wrong, and we can debate this topic more in a comment section below. Thank you for your time and see you soon. Bye bye.